Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, my crafty friends. And for those of you who are new to the channel, you're going to want to go ahead and click the subscribe button right now so that you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, because trust me, you miss one, you'll hate yourself for the week, okay? Well, maybe not hate, but you get the idea. Anyways, so I'm popping on today to share with you guys a wonderful gift that I received over the weekend. So one of my friends called and she said, well, actually she didn't call. I think she sent a Facebook message or even a text, or maybe both. I don't know. But I was having the craziest week. I was all over the place with a million things on the schedule. So last week was a blur. So much so that this is the first time that I'm actually going into this bag. So we are going to be surprised together. What I do know is when I peeked into the bag, I saw some scrap or crafty items. So apparently my good friend Stephanie was out and about garage sailing, estate sailing, or whatever it is that she was doing that day. She normally goes out and gets gently used furniture and redoes it. The woman's a genius with it. Her end results look as though they should be in a staged home that's being put on the market or somebody's furniture showroom floor. But either way, she's gifted. That being said, I was pleased that she called and said that I was on her mind while she was out looking at the stuff over the weekend. So here we are. We're going through the bag together. Y'all ready? Okay, so, and I'm going to try and be very brief. Okay, so let's see what all is in this bag. It's pretty thick, pretty heavy. All right, so we got some stickers, plenty of stickers. It says cruise our vacation. We've got some holiday rub-ons, self-adhesive die cut stickers from Reminisce. I've never, Paradise Found. I don't even know of this company, Reminisce. Anybody? If you're familiar with this company, drop a link below and tell me when was the last time you saw them. Oh, it says 2007, so I don't know. Maybe they've gone out of business. Okay, so we've got some spring die cuts, but then we also have Christmas holly. Is it from the same collection? All right, Florida Land of Sunshine. I'm not sure what that is. Some tags. Oh, these are cute. These will go great on cards. And some cute little wall art for the kids. Some more holly. Okay, we've got self-adhesive epoxy embellishments. Okay. Lettuce. Oh, these will be really pretty. You know what? Christmas in July. I'll probably put this stuff off to the side and use it this month so I don't have to pull out my big box of Christmas crafting items. So this, it's got the snowflake. This is like a frame, I want to say. You can pull that part out and use it in two different pieces. Winter. I love that tree. Isn't that the cutest thing? So there's lots of little tidbits in here. And now we've got some scrapbook paper. This is one-sided. Oh, there's some Christmas paper. See, now you can also fussy cut this out and use it. You know, I don't have a lot of, I have one pad of Christmas paper that I'm still trying to use up. And I just buy a few sheets here and there. And I don't think I'm going to buy another pad again of Christmas paper. Because I simply, as much as I do craft and gift, I don't foresee myself going through the entire pad, and I just hate for it to be a waste. So, no, I don't know what this is. This looks like some kind of tag, ready to make tag. I don't want to take it out because I may not get it back in there. But some more tidbits here. Ooh, Stephanie, how cute. Oh, and Stephanie, if you're watching, thank you so much. Thanks for thinking of me. Look at that little Rolodex name, Santa Claus, address. How adorable. And some little tabs. So this is great for planner or journals. Perfect. And here's some great borders for scrapbooking. Oh, this is great for the holidays. I mean, she just expanded my my Christmas craft kits, or craft stash, I should say. Oh, and this is a sheet of holiday stickers. No, it's die cuts. Yep, it's die cuts. Okay, some single-sided paper. Oh, look at that vellum. Oh, no, that's gorgeous. It's got almost like a light, do you see that? Or is the light picking up any of that gold hue? So it's a very slight shimmer. It's a few sheets of that. I think I need to add that to some Happy Mail. A couple more cut aparts or die cuts. I'm not sure if what term that is. Now, what kind of paper is this? Paper white, acid and lining free. I'm not familiar with that brand, that line. If anyone is, feel free to let me know. And yeah. Now, I'm not a big green girl, so I don't foresee myself using these, even though I love angels. But this really isn't my cup of tea. But the rest of the stuff certainly is. Now, that's pretty. And then we've got more. We don't have a dog, but I have friends who do. Lots of friends who do. Oh, this is a whole kit. How cute is that? NRN Designs Timeless Treasure, 2 sheets of acid-free stickers. Now, I've never seen that before, but this is perfect because it's the summertime, and this is when we have our hot dogs and corn on the cob and mustard and watermelon and chicken. But getting back to this is really cute. It's got some ribbon in here, some enamel dots, stickers, chipboard accent stickers, and some double-sided paper. Yep, double-sided paper. So that's cute. I might even use that in some masculine cards, which I've got some projects coming up that I'll need that for. And then stencils. Okay. Around the house. That is so adorable. Journal. That'll make a great pocket. Chipboard accents. This looks like this is an entire kit. Empire State, Times Square, Big Apple. That's my home state, New York. And I don't know anybody who drinks beer. But this looks like it was a kit. Oh, this was... Oh, a travel theme. And y'all know I love travel theme stuff. Passport. Is this rub-ons or do you gotta cut it out? I'm not sure, but I'll use it. That's cute. And some of this stuff I'll just be using in my journal. Summer themed stickers. Day at the beach. Beach bums, sand castles. And then we've got some paper. Here. It's really pretty and vivid. Comes out the kit. This looks like it's partially stuck on something else, so I'm not going to tear that off, but it looks like, you know, punch outs. Is that what they call them? Punch outs, cut aparts, whatever. But yeah, these will make great accents for summertime layouts. You got some alphas, and look, some sheet protectors for a scrapbook. And so that is all, folks. I am not able to get out to the garage sales like I used to, so I really do appreciate when a friend sees something out at there and grabs it, either sees it for a great price and grabs it for me, or, you know, just blesses me with it, because God knows that this is nothing short of a blessing. And it's a blessing to be on somebody else's mind and they follow their heart and want to make your day. So again, thanks, Stephanie. And I guess I'd say to you guys, if until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative in crafting, and thanks for stopping back by. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the Crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.